Hi, and welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the sum function in Excel. This is a simple way to add up numbers across rows and columns, and this is particularly useful when working with large data sets or large numbers. There are different ways to use this function, and we'll be exploring them in this video. Let's say we tracked how much we spent each day on transport, food, airtime, and snacks, and we want to get the weekly total for each item and then the daily total for all the items on the list. We will start by simply inputting the equal sign and then type sum. You can notice that while I was typing some other formulas popped up, but for the sake of this video, we are just going to select sum. It has opened up a bracket for us to work with. Also notice that whatever we are putting in here is being reflected here in the formula bar. So we are simply going to either manually input the cell reference or highlight the cells we're working with, which is what we're going to be doing now. We are going to highlight this and close the bracket and enter. So this gives us the weekly total of money spent on transport. Another way we can use this formula would be to use the AutoSum. So we can do this by highlighting the cells we're working with and then go to the Home tab. We'd see AutoSum here, just by the right hand side of the screen, and then we'd click on it. This would sum up the numbers spent on each of these items on Monday. We can also find AutoSum in the formula bar right here. Again, highlight AutoSum. If we do not want to do this, we can use the keyboard shortcut, and we do this by clicking on the Alt key and the equal key. This sums up the range and gives us a total right here. If we decide not to use all of these, we can use the autofill. So because we have the formula here, and this is the same formula we need for these cells, we are going to click on this, come to the right hand side just below here. Notice that my cursor has changed into a plus sign, so we're just going to drag that down. This will automatically fill up these cells and give us the total amount spent on each of these items. I hope we learned something today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.